What in the world? Okay, so guys, just check this out. This thing is as long as my forearm. This is a huge largemouth. We're talking 4.5 plus pounds. So, really awesome fish. I'm gonna let him go. I have to a little bit.